Do you ever feel like your SQL Server could be more active? Or are you tired of those long waiting times slowing down your applications? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Luca Berton and I'm here to help you turbocharge your SQL Server with my course, Microsoft SQL Server Performance Tuning Essentials. This course is not just a bunch of theories, it's packed with practical techniques that will empower you to get your SQL Server running like a finely tuned machine. We will dive into query tuning, mastering indexing strategies, and even tackle overall database optimization. The best part? You will learn how to do all this in just 1 hour. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to make your database lightning fast, reduce downtime, and keep your systems running smoothly. Whether you are a database administrator, IT professional, or developer, this course will give you the edge to ensure your SQL Server performs at its best. And hey, this isn't just about learning theory. You will get hands-on with real-world scenarios, practical exercises, and even some fun quizzes to reinforce what you have learned. Trust me, by the time you are gone, you will be more than ready to tackle any performance issue that comes your way. Ready to optimize your SQL Server and become the essential asset to your team? And let's get started.